Hey, if you're a beginner, if you want to know how to get started dancing salsa shines, stay tuned. Bam! What's going on, guys? Herman here, and in today's video I want to teach you 5 different shines, basic shines, so that you can get started dancing by yourself right away. So a student of mine told me that after he started learning shines, his confidence started going up, and that was because his footwork got a lot better. His timing got a lot better because he was practicing shines to music. And also this was something that he could practice when he was at home and he didn't have a partner to practice with. He started doing shines. All of a sudden he went from knowing all the partner work turns and all the moves but not being able to dance with anybody on the dance floor when he got to the party, to now he's confident and I see him dancing with everybody. So I thought I need to make this video for all my students. So here we go. I hope you enjoy the video. Bam! Boom! What's going on, guys? Herman here, back with some shines. Right now I want to teach you how to get started dancing shines for salsa on 2. Let's get right into it. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. The first one, side to side. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. In place, side, and place. Together, side, and place. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let me give you a view from the back. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, side. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. So basically, when I'm ready, I switch my steps from forward and backwards to the sides on 1. Meaning, 1, 2, 3, forward, 5, 6, back. Now I'm ready. I'm going to change to the side. That happens on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, change. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. One more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Side 7. 1, change. 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, change. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that one is the side to side. Next we have the slide. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. I step back just like in the basic step. 7, I go long step diagonal. And then I slide my feet. 8. Back to the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's see it again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Slide. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, slide. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, slide. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, slide. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, slide. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, slide. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, slide. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, slide. 1, 2, 3. So I went out of the line Notice I left the space there, and then when I'm ready to go back into the basic, I just step 1, 2, 3, back to the line. 5, 6, 7. One last one. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Slide. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That's the slide. Let's do the Susie Q. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Susie Q goes across on your first step. Then I step behind. Then I go across again. Pause for a second. Across. Step behind. Across. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Basic. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Again, when I'm ready to go forward on 1, 1, then I take off forward. 5, 6, 7. Last one. 1, 2, 3. When I'm ready on 1, 6, 7. 1. Change to 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Basic. 5, 6, 7. Forward. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. On 1, we go. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And again. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And we go. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. One more. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. Basic. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Okay, so those are 3. We got another one. The 2-step. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. 2-step. 5, 6, 7. Tap on 8. Then I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm literally just stepping, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 2-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. When I'm ready to start, that happens right after the 7. 5, 6, 7. I tap on 8 and I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's hear from the back. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5. And go 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Go. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You could even change directions with it so that you go forward, tap, backwards, tap, forward. You're still doing your 2-step, but you're going to change directions in a V as opposed to staying lateral. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and forward, tap, 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 boom, 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 bam, 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 bam. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Basic. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last one. 5, 6, 7. Just once. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basic step. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. We got another one. Back rocks. Let's go right into a basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Side. 1. Back rock cross. Side, back rock cross. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, and change everything on 1. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, back rock 5, 6 to the side. 1 step behind, crossover. Side step behind, crossover. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5 and go. 7. Side, crossover. Side, crossover. Side, crossover. Side, step behind, crossover. Side, step behind, crossover. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Alright guys, I hope you're ready. Here we go, all of it with music. Boom! Boom! Awesome job, guys. Well done for making it all the way to the very end of the video. I hope you practice this 5 different shines. Take your time with them. Practice first with slow music and then speed it up. Try to get as fast as you can. Try to get really fast while still maintaining really good timing. If you learned something, if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And subscribe here for more salsa tutorials. I'm posting them weekly. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want a private lesson, even if it's over the internet, we could do something over FaceTime or WhatsApp. Send me a direct message. I want to help you out. Until next time, bam!